Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on Android accessibility feature for Android. Android Accessibility Suite is a collection of accessibility apps that help you use your Android device eyes-free or with a switch device. Point 1. How do you use accessibility on Android? Step 1. Turn on the accessibility menu. Open your device's settings app. Tap Accessibility, then tap Accessibility menu. Turn on the accessibility menu shortcut. To accept the permissions, tap OK. Optional, to change your shortcut, tap Accessibility menu shortcut. Point 2. What is Android accessibility for? Android accessibility features allow users to customize their devices by modifying accessibility settings or apps to improve their experience. However, the Android accessibility features include a range of additional specialized tools that significantly improve accessibility. Point 3. What is an example of accessibility? Sometimes, we're asked, what is an example of accessibility? An example of accessibility would be any content or functionality that is fully available to and usable by people with disabilities. This may refer to individual elements, features, or the whole web experience. Point 4. How do I turn off accessibility settings? Turn off switch access. Open your Android device's settings app. Select Accessibility Switch Access. At the top, tap the on/off switch. Thank you for watching presentation video on Android accessibility, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.